Okay, sorry, I'm losing daylight, but I did take all this stuff off so that I could show you real quick. As far as the handle goes, the bolts are different sizes. This is the longer one, it goes up top. I left them in the same spot, that way I just got to put it back the way I took it off. This thing here, I took the screw out from here already. I left it in there just so you can see how to take it off. You just simply pull this out a little bit. And slide it out like that. Now this back one here, there's just a little side where you can like put a screwdriver or a nail in there and just pop it open there like that. And then you're gonna just take this screw out too. Once this screw is out, you should be able to just pop out all the little clips around the bottom in order to take it off. So I have that out now. So we're just gonna gently tug in this corner here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but there it goes. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Might be one more up here. Definitely is. And one more. There we go. The whole door should now just slide right up and off. I'm just fumbling because I'm trying to do the camera. And there you have it off. Now you can get access to that speaker. It's 3 screws on the speaker. And then just, you know, rewire it real quick with your new speaker. Easy peasy.